videos y si te ríes pierdes. Mira. Es que mira, el mío los videos y si te ríes pierdes.
Roxy wants to eat her. Roxy!
Shit. You don't take shit, do you?
I'm going to be honest. I think my dog is part alien.
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood. I like you, love you.
Can you not?
What did you say, huh? What'd you fucking say? What'd you fucking say?
Outside. Squirrel. Kitty. Treat.
Is he still in there?
Yes, he is. It has been an hour, dude. Seriously, I cannot wait any longer. Are you serious? Where's the catnip?
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
I can't leave.
Yo, this is my duck. His name is. If you don't fucking cut that shit up.
Anybody in? Shut the gate! Shut the gate, Bilbo! Shut it! There you go!
Spike loves his new hat.
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out. Charlie the mad puppy doesn't like when people touch him.
Cheese kitty. Is that cheese now? Is that cheese now? Stella, you wanna go bang?
Kaiser. Smile. Show me your smile. Smile. Oh, it's so handsome.
You want to get high?
You keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you.
Oh, that's funny. You're gonna look funnier sucking my dick with no teeth.
How do you feel about the corn in your head? Hey, Poppy. Hey, Poppy. If you stop fighting, I'll give you a treat.
I don't really know what to do with my hands. I don't really know what to do with my hands.
I rub you. I rub you. I rub you. Oh my God.
Gatos. Gatos. Estoy grabando gatos, mami. No, no, si te ríes pierdes. Mami. Amala.
Lexi. Lexi.
Lexi.
Like a dog over a cup of water.
Mamá, si alcanza, ¿sabes por qué? Es que como yo, ¿sabes? Veo que en el teléfono en la cámara se ponen los videos, pero los puedo borrar y luego en YouTube ya está. Así que lo puedo hacer.
What the fuck? Get out of here. This is the bar. You don't belong here. You're a possum. Get out.
El tigre.
Okay.
Look at this beautiful squirrel! Look at this baby squirrel!
Damn, your ass smells fine, girl. Check on my ass. How's that smell? Man, get your ass off me!
Espero que les haya gustado el video, ¿no? No olviden comentarlo, suscribirse a este canal. Aunque quieres que suba más videos de si te ríes, pierdes o lo que sea, ustedes me lo comentan. Yo como soy un youtuber que sube videos, muchos, pues así quiero ser. Chao.